definitely didn't sound like this one was with Uxbridge.
Stop seeing this. That's wrong, because it's Southgate Station.
Yeah.
It smells of smoke back here. What?
Please don't explode, bus.
Well, we are by the engine.
Yeah, it definitely didn't sound like this when it left Uxbridge. Thought his bar had done something to it.
It sounds so bad.
We're on this bus for about half an hour. No, until town, sorry. And then, yeah, they're not getting coffee, so they haven't got a customer.
God, this thing sounds awful. Oh, we're going on an uphill. Sort of. But that squealing, it makes it sound awful. Oh, there's another one.
What? How's the service, man?
Oh, I thought the PVR of the W995.
I think it is. Why did they say 41? Is this 491? That's bad.
The bus is going back to Chase Farm.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think we'll be getting
It's fine. It says, what? Oh, someone's getting off.
I just want to wait for it.
It's up to you.
But wait, we get to Enfield Town in 25. This gets to Enfield Town. Oh no, we will be getting it.
Oh,
We
yes.
get Enfield Town at 29 minutes, we get there in 25 minutes, that's 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. This bus is slow, so